Seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, is a type of depression that only occurs during fall and winter. This, along with the reduced amount of sunlight during these months, is what causes SAD. With SAD light therapy, SAD sufferers are exposed to artificial light. The light from a therapy lamp is similar to natural sunlight and can help improve mood and energy levels. This can be a great treatment option for people who need it. If you think you may have seasonal affective disorder, talk to your doctor about whether SAD light therapy could help. Short for seasonal affective disorder, SAD light therapy is a non-drug treatment aimed at people who are feeling less than their best. The light box simulates natural sunlight and can be helpful in some instances of PMS and other mood disorders. Many people experience a form of depression that changes with the season. SAD is also known as winter depression because the symptoms are more prevalent and intense during winter. However, SAD can occur any time of the year, not just during the winter season. The exact cause of seasonal affective disorder is unknown, but it's been believed to be linked to problems with the body's natural circadian rhythm. The circadian rhythm regulates many bodily functions, including sleep. SAD disrupts this rhythm and seems to coincide with periods of change, such as a shift into winter or changes in daylight hours around noon. Research has found that a number of things may lead to the development of seasonal affective disorder, including the following. Having a close blood relative with SAD or another form of depression, like anxiety, may make you more likely to develop SAD. Disrupted brain chemistry. Subtle changes in these naturally occurring hormones may contribute to feelings of depression and anxiety. Studies have found that people who live in areas with long winters and not much sunlight may be at higher risk for developing SAD. Researchers believe this may be due to the lack of exposure to sunlight, which can reduce mood. There are several different types of treatments for SAD, but light therapy is the most effective. The treatment involves sitting near a lamp called a light box for 30 minutes each day. The light boxes mimic natural outdoor lighting, which can help combat negative symptoms such as sleep disruption and social withdrawal. What is SAD light therapy? There are a variety of ways that SAD lights work. One way is to use a very bright light that mimics sunlight. You can use this light for just a short time each day to improve your mood and energy levels. Another way that SAD lights work is by keeping a lower level light going for a longer period of time. This can help to ease you into a better mood and improve your energy over time. If you're interested in a SAD light, talk to your doctor to see if it would be the right treatment for you. You might also want to combine it with other treatments, such as therapy or medication. The following are some benefits of SAD light therapy. If you're like me and suffer from the winter blues, a SAD light can help. The lights seem to make it easier for some people to get out of bed in the morning and feel better throughout the day. The symptoms of seasonal affective disorder can be remedied by the use of light therapy, which can help reduce depression and fatigue, among other things. In addition to fighting the winter blues and anxiety, it turns out that light therapy may also be an effective tool for improving sleep quality. Additionally, light therapy is a safe and effective treatment option with few side effects. The different types of SAD lamps. There are two main types of light treatment for seasonal affective disorder, SAD. Light boxes. A light box emits full-spectrum light which closely resembles natural sunlight. It is typically used for 30 minutes to 2 hours per day, depending on the manufacturer's instructions. A dawn simulator is a device that slowly increases the amount of light in the room over a period of time, helping to simulate the natural progression of sunrise. Dawn simulators are often used for 30 minutes to 1 hour per day, depending on instructions from the manufacturer. Both types of SAD lights help to treat seasonal affective disorder. However, no one solution works for everybody, so it's best to consult with a medical professional to determine which type of light therapy would work best for you. Picking the right SAD light can be tough with all the different options out there. When looking for a SAD light, there are a few things you have to think about. The first is the brightness of the light. Generally speaking, it's important for the light to be bright enough for your needs. Next, think about the size and make sure it's comfortable for you and fits well in your space. And lastly, consider the price. Make sure you find a light that works within your budget. Parting thoughts. If you have seasonal affective disorder, know that you're not alone. SAD is a very common condition and there are treatments available for it. Every treatment will vary in effectiveness, but light therapy is one of the most effective options. Light therapy doesn't cure the winter blues, but can help lessen the symptoms and make your condition more manageable. If light therapy sounds right for you, talk to your doctor to learn more.